On October 14th, NASA and SpaceX made history yet again, launching the highly anticipated Europa Clipper mission aboard a Falcon Heavy Rocket. This mission is one of the most exciting and ambitious astrobiology efforts ever undertaken. With its sights set on Europa, Jupiter's mysterious, icy moon, the Europa Clipper will explore the potential for life beneath Europa's thick, frozen shell, where a vast ocean of salty water is believed to exist. It's a journey of discovery that could change everything we know about life beyond Earth. Liftoff occurred at 12:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The Falcon Heavy, with its 27 powerful Merlin engines, roared into life, sending the Europa Clipper skyward. This was no ordinary launch. It marked the second interplanetary mission for the Falcon Heavy, and this time SpaceX had to go all out. The Falcon Heavy's boosters, which typically return to Earth for reuse, were instead fully expended to provide the power needed to propel Clipper on its long journey to Jupiter's moon. As the rocket ascended, the two side boosters detached as planned about 3 minutes into the flight. Shortly after, the central core continued on, followed by the separation of the second stage. The critical moment came 58 minutes after launch, when the Europa Clipper was successfully deployed on its interplanetary trajectory. Just minutes later, Mission Control established communication with the spacecraft, a triumphant moment marked by cheers in NASA's control room. This mission has been a long time coming. Initially, the Europa Clipper was slated to launch aboard NASA's massive Space Launch System, SLS. But delays in the development of that rocket forced NASA to reconsider. Enter SpaceX and the Falcon Heavy, a commercial alternative that could deliver the same mission, albeit with a few trade-offs. While the SLS could have sent Europa Clipper directly to Jupiter in under 3 years, the Falcon Heavy will take a bit longer. Europa Clipper will arrive at its destination in 2030, after gravity assists from Mars in 2025 and Earth in 2026. But this delay pales in comparison to the potential discoveries that await. Why all the excitement about Europa? Beneath its icy crust, scientists believe that Europa harbors a vast ocean of liquid water. This ocean, heated by tidal forces generated by Jupiter's immense gravity, may be one of the best places in the solar system to look for alien life. Europa has long intrigued scientists with its potential water plumes, which have been spotted erupting from its surface. These plumes might carry evidence of life from deep beneath the ice, where warmth, water, and organic compounds could create a habitable environment. Although the Europa Clipper isn't designed to directly search for life, it will carry out a detailed reconnaissance of the moon. The probe's mission is to determine whether Europa has the necessary conditions to support life. Using its suite of 9 scientific instruments, including cameras, spectrometers, and magnetometers, Clipper will analyze the thickness of the moon's ice shell, the composition of its ocean, and how the ocean interacts with the icy surface. This data will not only help scientists assess the potential for life, but also guide future missions that could land on Europa and explore it in even greater detail. Europa Clipper's journey is an ambitious one. After its arrival in the Jupiter system in 2030, the spacecraft will perform over 45 flybys of Europa, each one gathering valuable data from as close as 16 miles above the surface. These flybys will allow scientists to study the moon's icy crust, investigate signs of active geological processes, and possibly even catch glimpses of those tantalizing water plumes. The data collected will be critical in selecting potential landing sites for future missions, including those that might eventually search for signs of life directly. While Clipper's mission objectives are focused on understanding Europa's habitability, there's a deeper significance to this mission. If Europa, with its icy exterior and hidden ocean, has the right ingredients for life, it challenges the notion that life is unique to Earth. Discovering that life could exist in such extreme environments would open up the possibility of life on other icy moons, such as Saturn's Enceladus, and beyond our solar system. As we look forward to the years of data that Europa Clipper will send back, it's important to remember the sheer scale and ambition of this mission. NASA has never built a planetary spacecraft this large. The probe weighs about 13,000 pounds and spans roughly the size of a basketball court with its solar arrays extended. With the help of SpaceX's Falcon Heavy, this mammoth spacecraft is now on a journey that could redefine our understanding of life in the universe. The launch of the Europa Clipper wasn't just another routine space event. It marks the beginning of an extraordinary mission that could answer one of humanity's oldest and most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? And while the Clipper's main goal is to gather data on Europa's habitability, the possibility of finding the conditions that could support life adds a layer of excitement that cannot be overstated. With each passing year, as Clipper inches closer to Europa, the anticipation will only grow. We're on the edge of a new era in planetary exploration, one that could reveal the secrets of not just Europa, but of life itself. So, as the Europa Clipper sails through the vastness of space on its journey to Jupiter's enigmatic moon, we wait with bated breath for the discoveries to come. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash subscribe for more jaw-dropping space updates, and join us as we embark on a cosmic journey like never before.